Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add PO number in client of shipment page in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, navigate to any shipment page. On the shipment details page, go to the organization tab. Here, client has been added. Now, click the edit option. On this screen, go to the reference type column. Select the reference type as PO number. Enter the PO number. And click Save Changes. These are the steps to add the PO number in client of shipment page in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.